It's time, people, for another Safe and Sane demo for you. And what do we got tonight? Well, we got Santan Fireworks, and in their assortment pack, there is so many different size fountains. Now, I've done a lot of the super duper military themed 200 grams, and you can see them on my YouTube channel. So here is a cone fountain. You don't get to see a lot of these anymore. Santan Fireworks brings out all sizes, all different types of Safe and Sane products. And here, going with the military theme, we got Mayham Conic Ftn, but it's cone fountain. So we're going to come back. By the way, the artwork is second to none here in the firework community. So I look on here, I don't see any fancy schmancy effects, but we're going to show it off. Come back. We're going to head to the launch pad. We got to take a little trip, but we'll get there when it gets dark. We'll see you soon. Oh, yeah. All right, we made it to the launch pad, and we got Mayham Conic Fountain. There we go. By Santan Fireworks. Get ready. Whoa. Oh, shit. Did you see that? Did I tell you? The best bang for the buck. Santan Fireworks. You rock.